Welcome back everyone. In this video I will quickly go to navigate around Windows 10. For some of you, if it is your first time, it probably is good to understand what sits where. So to start with, on Windows 10, search bar is one of the most powerful tools you would always want to use. To start with that, I will click on search bar on my taskbar, which is normal. If you don't see it, what you need to do is right click on taskbar, go to search, and either if it is hidden, just like this, if it is hidden, you'll go to search bar and click on show search box or show search icon. If you click on search icon, you'll only see an icon. However, if you click on search box, you'll be able to see a full box. What I need to do here is, let's say I wanted to go to this PC, which was called computer in Windows 7 and my computer in earlier versions like Windows XP, Windows 2000 Professional, and prior versions like 90, 98, and 97, and 95. Alright, so what I need to do is type this PC and open this PC. As you can see, this is very similar to Windows 7 and earlier versions. I have my C drive here, and I can see desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, and all of that. Even if I did not see that here in the window area on the left side, I have a list. If you still don't see the list, sometimes you probably will come across something like this. Hover your mouse on the edge of the quick access and click on that. For this PC, it's going to be the same. Just hover your mouse, you'll see an arrow, and then just click on the arrow. Here I'm able to see pretty much everything. One thing that I'm missing here is I don't see my D drive or CD or DVD drives and whatnot. There are two ways to go to that and try to find it if there's any. One that I can right click on this PC here and go to manage. Or what I can do is I can still click on search bar and type manage. And as you can see, computer management will pop up, and I can click on that. It will bring me to computer management /local. And here, to find the missing drive, what I need to do is just click on disk management. And as you can see here, I have C drive mounted and the rest of the drives are not. However, I'm able to see there's a CD-ROM. Right click on that, change drive letter path, add, and choose the drive. Assign the following drive letter and choose it. I'll go with D drive, click OK. Close this out and go back to this PC and click on that. As you can see, I have my DVD drive appearing. It's no more missing. And there's another way of navigating to this PC, or pretty much a lot of areas. That is my favorite, File Explorer. This has been there for pretty much all Windows versions. I'll click on this. Again, I'm able to see everything here. Here I have my D drive. I can open that, or I can install whatever it is inside. I believe this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you following me. If you have not, please do subscribe to my channel and hit like button on the videos you like. Comment below. Thank you very much.